Hi everyone, this is Padlock. Secured by Secret Network enables monetization for content creators on the decentralized web. It is a tool for a variety of use cases like digital rights management, access control, and key management. In this video, we will demonstrate how privacy-preserving secret contracts enable unique capabilities with programmable privacy.
So, to begin, in this hack, we asked ourselves, how can we monetize content on the decentralized web in a trustless way? Because as a content creator, if I have content on IPFS, the only way I can monetize it is by encrypting it. Say I promise you, as my consumer, if you pay me 10 DAI, I'll share my decryption key to my content with you. But this can't be done on an Ethereum contract because the decryption key, state of the contract, will be public. So how can we program sharing the decryption key with privacy after payment? With secret contracts, we can, because we can store the decryption key as the contract state. So how does this work?
The idea is to use secret keys, which are stored in a privacy-preserving secret contract, allowing users to manage or program access control by selling private keys that unlock their encrypted content.
Using the privacy-preserving features of Secret Network and the decentralization of IPFS on Filecoin, there is an opportunity here to create new capabilities without middlemen on Web 2.0 content platforms.
Our demo will now go into how one piece of content can be uploaded and sold to one user at one time. Here's how that will play out. As a creator, I can go to the app using Fleek for hosting the web app, get an auto-generated secret address anonymously, or create a public profile using Threebox for managing profiles, secret keys, and secret network credentials. Upload new content on IPFS and Filecoin, leveraging Textile's PowerGate for IPFS hosting, the graph for indexing, add metadata for the content, and have that metadata stored and pinned on IPFS by using Pinata. Set price for the content. Ethereum is used as the payment and data layer, keeping a log of all creations and buy orders. MetaMask for Ethereum wallet use. The content would be encrypted by a secret network public and private key pair fetched from the app's secret vault contract. Lastly, we added an unstoppable domain for the project. As a buyer, I can see a preview of the content in the browse page, pay in crypto, receive the non-fungible token in my Ethereum wallet to access keys on Secret Network. There's also the Oracle watching purchases and whitelisting buyers on the Padlock secret contract. Currently, we are exploring various integrations with existing media platforms and publishers. Although we built a web app for this demo, our hope is that Padlock will function as a widget built into those applications. Overall, we are thrilled to release this example of a secret app running on Secret Network, interoperating with Ethereum. And we are excited to continue working on this project. Hopefully, this will empower content creators to realize their potential on the decentralized web.